Hey everybody, Bobby Deen here, and I've got a great Southwestern dip recipe for you for the big game that's coming up this Sunday. And rather than buying a pre-made mix, we're going to make our own. So Southwestern mix, these are going to be typical ingredients that you'll find one that's store-bought anyway, but we're going to make it better by making it fresher by using fresh ingredients. So let's start with the dried stuff here. We're going to use dried parsley, onion flakes, onion, cumin, chili powder. These are all of the usual suspects that you'll find in a pre-made mix at the store. So we're just going to combine all of our dry ingredients. And it smells very Southwestern. Got a little kick to it, that chili powder. These are good ingredients to get. Gosh, that is so fragrant. So fragrant. And it's right up my alley. I love this kind of dip. So let's get this combined. And then we'll move over to our wet ingredients, which are sour cream and mayonnaise. Can't go wrong with either one of those two things. So I'm just going to combine them, put them in a bigger bowl here. There's our sour cream. You could substitute with Greek yogurt if you'd like. But there's something very satisfying about sour cream. And mayo. We're not going for light. I don't go for light on big football games and stuff. World Series, things like that, man. I mean, what I want. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. A couple of teaspoons of salt into our dry mix here. Almost forgot it. I would have figured it out soon enough. Mix in that salt also. And now we're just going to add our dry to our wet here. And we'll mix it up and voila. Who you rooting for in the big game, everybody? Taylor Swift, I'll bet. That's who we're all rooting for. I'll bet you're going to see her. I'll bet we're all going to see her. All right, here we go. The dry to the wet. Mix, mix, mix. Oh yeah, that's thickening up nice. Very Southwestern. It's got all the right colors. The fragrance is right. Only one thing left to do. That is taste test. Oh boy. It's good.
You look shocked.
It's good. Chili powder and the cumin are really coming through. Gosh, it's great though, man. Wow, it's really good. Very good. Cool. And now it's strong, but in a great way. So if you want to tone it down a little bit, you could always add in a little more Greek yogurt or sour cream. But oh man, is that really good. Gosh, I could eat that whole bowl. Y'all gonna like this. This is a winner. Great. Look at that. Just like that, we're ready. So enjoy the game and go Taylor.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.